Today discuss about complex number part 12th, last part, last concept. So some problems discuss. If z equal to x plus y iy, then find the locus of z. 2 of z minus 2 equals to z minus 1, where z equals to x plus iy, z equals to x plus iy. Substitute in this equation. So 2 of mod x plus iy minus 2 equals to mod x plus iy minus 1. 2 of separate the real part and imaginary part. X minus 1 plus iy modulus under root of x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square, squaring on both sides. Okay, 4 x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Okay, simplify this one. 4 into x square plus 2 square 4 minus 2ab 4x plus y square equal to x square 1 minus 2x plus y square. Okay, 4x square plus 16 minus 16x 4y square. Okay, minus x square transposing to LHS minus y square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, therefore 4x square minus x square 3x square. Okay, 4y square minus y square 3y square minus 16x plus 2x minus 14x. Okay, minus 14x. Okay, minus 14x plus 16 minus 1 plus 15 equals to 0. Therefore locus of z is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, next one. Imaginary img means imaginary part of complex. Img of z square equals to 4. Imaginary part of z square equals to 4, where z is equals to x plus iy. Z square means z into z, or z square means x plus iy whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square a square plus iy whole square plus 2ab 2xyi. So x square I square y square plus 2xyi. I square means minus 1. I square equals to minus 1. X square I square equals to minus 1 y square plus 2xyi. So real part and imaginary part, where real part of z square is x square minus y square. Area of z square, that means area of z square means real part of z square, and im of z square, img imaginary part of z square is imaginary part 2xy. So given by given by img of z square equals to 4. img of imaginary part of z square equals to 2xy. 2xy equals to 4. 2 2s are 4. Therefore xy equals to 2. xy equals to 2. Okay. Next one, show that the points in the organed plane represented complex numbers 2 plus 2i minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i are in the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means three sides, length of the three sides are equal. Length of the three sides are equal. Length of the three sides are equal. Okay. So given points are complex. Given points A, B, C, take A, B, C, where A equals to 2 plus 2i means 2 comma 2. B equals to minus 2 minus 2i, that means minus 2 comma minus 2. C equals to minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i. This implies minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Okay. So equal, show that the vertices equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means length of the three sides are equal. Length of the three sides are equal. Okay. So if A distance between 2 points A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So first one, distance between AB is under root of, in A coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2, 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 2 minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Okay. x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. Substitute this one, x2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 2 whole square under root of minus 4 square under root of 16 plus 16 square root of 32. Okay. Next one, distance between BC is under root of BC in B x1 x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So minus 2 root 3 minus of minus plus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1. Okay. 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Simplify this one, a minus b whole square. This means a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square 2 square means 2 square plus b square 2 root 3 whole square minus 2ab, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 root 3. Okay, plus a square 2 root 3 whole square, b square 2 square plus 2ab 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 minus 8 root 3 get cancelled. Okay, 2 square 4, 2 square means 4 into 3, okay, plus 4 into 3 plus 4, okay, 4 plus 12 plus 12 plus 4, what is that, 16 plus 16, okay, 16 plus 16, 16 plus 16, 32, square root of 32. Okay, distance between BC and BC. Next BC, CA or AC. Find the value of CA. Under root of CA, x1, y1, x2, y2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square. Okay, minus common, take the minus common, minus 2 root 3 plus 2, okay, minus to the power of even number, that means positive, okay, under root of a plus b whole square, a square 2 square 2 root 3 whole square plus 2ab 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 square minus 8 root 3, minus 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 cancel, 4 plus 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 4 equal to root 32. Therefore, length of the AB equals to BC equals to CA equals to root 32. So, all sides, length of the sides of triangle are equal. Therefore, ABC is a equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle.